Welcome back, everyone. So, week 13, managing your trades. We're getting pretty close to the halfway mark of what I have planned out, and I'm still rearranging the rest of the year, adding new lessons and all that stuff. So, I'm pushing for 56. I think we might be longer than you. I think we're at 58 weeks. So, I'm gonna keep it going as long as I have information to give out to you. But this is my one mentorship. I'm gonna go from the beginning, work you up all the way to the exact advanced thing that I do day in, day out to produce income, right? So that's in the future. Let's get back to week 13. And now we're managing our trades. So we kind of went over the markets, risk management, the mind, all that stuff. And now we're managing trades. We're placing trades, we're managing it, or we're just collecting data for us to make real trades in the future, right? So let's get into week 13. So I call it set it and forget it, but I don't I don't forget about trades, right? If I do, it's because I got distracted and I left or something and I was like, I left a trade running. I need to log in the app, either just close it or move my stop loss if I can and take the risk completely off, whatever I need to do, right? But what I mean by this really is have a trade idea, place your orders, let price either put you in or not put you in that trade. Now, that's over on my other screen. That's in Tradeovate. My order's there. I'm letting it ride. Now I'm on this screen. I'm in Trading View and I'm watching price and seeing if there's maybe price isn't going to come to my original entry. And if there's a second one that sets up, am I going to readjust that trade to that? That's what I'm doing on my other screen, right? So I don't see my orders, don't see if it like I don't see any live trades over here. All that stuff's over here. And I'm just watching price. Is it playing into my favor? Is it being a little weird? Maybe I pull that trade now because price is not doing what I thought it would and it's actually showing signs of setting up the other way, right? So then I'll take a step back, higher time frame, all that stuff, reassess. Same thing. Set the trade, put the orders in, forget it over here, watch the market. And the reason why I say get in that habit is because we want to trust our setups and with the data that we've collected that we know that our edge is an edge and it will be profitable in the long run. You need to have confidence in that. So you got to take your losses and then take the wins, right? And if your edge is real, those wins will leave you with profit, right? So start trusting your setups, trust your edge, and then in the long run, the probability plays out if you did your back testing correctly, right? If you just back tested 10 trades and you're like, oh, yep, after those 10 trades, I'm profitable. So there's my edge. No, you need 50 minimum. I would like 100 trades of data laid out and shows, yeah, you're a profitable trader. If you use FX Replay or just the little document we have down below, you can input all your trade data there and it will spit out a little dashboard for you, show what days you win, your best winning days, your worst winning days. Are you winning more on buys? Are you winning more on sells? All that stuff automatically calculates as you input your data. So we want to track your back testing and your actual live accounts to show that your edge is playing out in live time. And then you could go through the data, figure out your weakness. Don't change your trading, but find that weakness, go back to back testing and fine tune, like tweak that weakness and then retest your system with that weakness taken out. For me, right now, currently, my biggest weakness is Tuesdays. It's my day that I'm not profitable on. I'm actually negative on Tuesdays. I'm still trading my system on every day, right? If there's a setup, I'm taking it still. But once I hit 100 trades, I'm going to see, is Tuesday still my weakest link or was it just like that time and it plays out, right? So I'm not changing any rules till I hit 100 trades. But so far, I'm identifying Tuesdays are not my best days of trading. Um, and that's how you're gonna keep working back and forth. This is a never-ending game, right? You're gonna back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, fine tune, figure out what works, dissect the data, go back, trade, and then it's a never ending game, right? Like, this is not just like, I don't, some people may be able to just place a trade in like a couple minutes and pull out thousands of dollars and they're like, oh yeah, trading's so easy, I'm done for the day. Um, if you want to be serious about this, I'm not looking to get in and out as quick as possible and just pull out like max risk, pull out money, right? I'm here to be consistent, really understand the markets and understand news and all that stuff that affects price so I could actually get a real sound understanding of the markets, not just show up to a slot machine, pull down the lever and let's go for a ride, right? Which I used to with options. Terrible idea. Um, so with that long story, the point was we're having data so we could detach from every trade and keep our emotions to a minimal because we know the data says we took 100 so trades. This is what's going to happen. Now, every 100 trades is not the exact same, but 100 is a lot better than you taking 10 trades real quick and back testing and like, yeah, I have an edge, right? I'd rather trust the 100 trade system. If there's an edge after 100 trades, and well, that's what I want to stick with because I'm here for the long run, not to pull that slot machine, go to the moon, get a home run, cash out, retire on my private island, right? It's not going to work that way. I got to put in the work. I got to run this business. I got to trade in the mornings, and everything together is going to work towards my future that I want. So, hope this has helped you out. We went on a long story, but I hope it all tied back into setting it and forgetting it because you know your edge is there. You have your rules. You're going to trust your rules. You're going to play out your rules, and you're going to take the stress and emotions away the best you can. And I mean the best you can because I think it was a month and a half ago, I had a 100K account, got funded, was up $1,000, and then boom, $600, $600, $600 loss, all in one day. And yeah, my emotions won, and it happens, right? I identified, don't ever do that again. Two trades max. If you're gonna do max risk twice, two trades max. Really, that second one should have been 600, 300, but whatever. You live and learn. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. I'm just here because I love to help people and I want to help you through what's working with me, what I learned from my mistakes, and hopefully that gets you moving in the right direction. And that's all I ask for. If this has helped you out, let me know down in the comments. Subscribe, click that thumbs up, and we'll see you next week where we start getting into back.